Shall we start first? It's already 1 p.m. Oh, we don't wait lah. Can? We unmute lah.
Yes.
Unmute lah. Don't need to unmute. Only you and I ma. At this moment. Okay Okay, slowly Just participate. Okay, don't need to unmute lah. Ivan, Hao Xuan, just unmute. Don't worry. See now, what do I call this thing here? This thing. You saw this before or not? We call this the decimal chart. A chart that show the different values. Where are the values? We call them place value. Okay. Now you see a decimal here, right? This is called a decimal point. Okay. And it is actually dividing into two parts here. If you can see, this is a whole number. Okay. Usually whole number. All right. Anything that is here, we call them decimal places already. Okay. Anything that is lesser than 1. Okay. If this is 0 lah, okay, if 0. Okay, if 0 ones. Okay. All right. So this is all about the correct the feature of this, Okay. Is everything okay, Ivan? Can hello, Joanna. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Joanna, right? Joanna, this is the first lesson you're with me, right? Hey, wait. Is Joanna your name?
No.
Because I don't have a Joanna by this name, do you enter the correct classroom or not? You enter the correct room?
Yes.
I didn't have your name, eh? What is your... Never mind lah. Hao Xuan is okay. Then you unmute. You mute yourself only. So Chloe is your real name, huh? Okay. All right. Now, if you are looking at my decimal, just now I was telling the student, I'm trying to use a decimal chart to teach this topic. Okay. How does it come about? You see on top, they have these headings and we call them place values. Last time you only learned up to whole number. Yeah, place value. So if whole number is so much easier. When you have 2, then it's what? Okay, for example, if you have 2, that means this is 2 tenths. 2 tenths means 20. Right. But what happens if I put my 2 here? Then it becomes 2 tenths. Anything with TH is a decimal. That means with no whole number, the 2 tenths will be 2 out of 10. Your 2 tenths will be 0.2. How I know it's 0.2? This is just an example. Now, if I put a 2 here and my decimal is here, there's no place here, so it's 0.2. Okay. And one thing I want to tell you, then you'll say, how about behind? Yes, behind got 0. There are a lot of zeros behind, and actually we didn't want to write. Okay, because it's not necessary. Right. But the place value is still at 0.2. Okay. All right. So yeah, let's take a look at the lesson today. Question number 1. Okay, let's do this. I have 5.9. Okay, let's take a look. 5 is here. 0.987. Okay, so just to explain a little bit more, this value of 7 is at 7 thousandths, right? 7 thousandths. Here is 8 hundredths, THS. Here is 9 tenths. And this is 5 ones. So he's asking for digit 8. So if I would look at digit 8, is at what place? That means, what building he is living in. He's living in the hundredths place. Hundredths, first thing first, you must end up with a TH. And on top of this, S is a must. Okay, hundredths. You notice that each time I have this spelling here, is always what? Let's take a look. Maybe I put this THS. So maybe blue. Okay, blue. THS, blue also not so. Maybe this. This one. Okay, so you see, all come with THS, THS, and THS. For ever S there.
Why is there thousands behind one? Because like ones is the smallest, right?
Yes, but because it's even smaller than one, anything smaller than one, we call them decimal. Okay, I give you a question. You learn fraction before. What do you call that? You learn fractions. Okay, fraction. You look at my fraction here. If I were to cut this into 10 parts, right? Now, it's a very good question. Okay, can I say what is this thing called? One whole, right?
Yes.
And one whole is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how much is one part? Come and think of it. How much is one part here? One. What is the fraction here shaded?
One tenth.
Yes. 1/10. So 1 out of 10 is called 1. If I write them in English, then it will be 1/10. So 1/10 is so small, right? Compared to one whole. Correct or not? Then now I ask a question. Is 5 whole and 9/10, which is a greater value? You look at it. 5 wholes. And then 9/10. THS. After the whole number. Also tens, but THS. Now you tell me, which is greater? 5/10 or 9 ones? Who can tell me? Okay.
5
All right.
wholes.
5 wholes, right? No, 9 is a greater digit, but 5 whole. Anything here is a greater value one. Okay. Then further it goes, the smaller it is. So as you go along, the small. Then this one you go bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay. All right. So just to let the new student know that what we have is called the chat function. Chloe, you know where to find the chat function or not? Chat function, CHAT. Can okay. So usually what the students will do, they respond, they write their answer in the chat function. Okay. So in case you miss out information, for the sake of Chloe, I want to let you know that you are supposed to, let me check. Chloe, did you have 2, 4? Let me check Chloe. Okay, Chloe, I didn't see your homework. Okay, so meaning to say, if I don't see it in the system, you didn't do your homework. Do you know that you got to watch a video before you try the worksheet? Do you know that? Yeah. Do you know where to watch the video? Do you know where to find? Yes, very good. Okay, since you know how to find, then that's good. Okay, and try to do it. Don't do it on the last minute. I'll try to do it as soon as possible, immediately after you watch the video. But don't wait long. The longer you wait, the longer you procrastinate. That's not healthy.
But I thought it said do the homework 10 minutes before the Zoom starts.
Ayo, did I say do before the Zoom starts?
But I thought every single tuition is like that. My other tuition also like that.
Ayo, who set this rule? My rule is do it before you come. Meaning to say you can start on a Sunday, you can start on a Monday, but don't do it the last minute. That's not healthy.
But at least I still got 2.
At least got 2, but not quite fun. At least got 2. Where? You see angry bird. Try to do as early as possible, Okay. And then here, correct. Yeah. So I go on with my PowerPoint. Come back here. Okay.
Yes.
So just now what we say.
You say which 5 whole or 9 is bigger.
Hello. So now do you think that 1/10 is always a smaller value already? You call them a decimal already?
No.
This one is called decimal. 1/10 is called a decimal.
No, 1/10 is called a fraction.
But then 1/10 can be 0.1, Then 0.1 is called a decimal. Okay. All right. So coming back to this
Decimal.
here.
What a bad topic.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is hundredths, please. Okay, go to the chat function. I want everyone to help me. 42 hundredths. Go to chat function. Let's see. Chat. I type here Q2. When I type Q2, I'm expecting an answer to be here, down. How to do the 42 hundredths? Type in.
Like this?
Okay, hundredths. So now I have a THS right now. Where's the THS for hundredths? And
Oh,
now
I know answer. I know
oh, I
answer.
know,
Long one.
yes. Okay, so this one will be here. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, if you think your answer is wrong, just retype in again.
Am I correct?
Where is yours? I didn't see yours. You didn't send anything here.
Yes,
Try
I
to
did.
send something.
My answer
Huh?
is 0.42.
Oh, yeah. Correct. What clever leh. How you do it?
Correct?
Yes.
Is it?
Okay. I tell you if I were you, I will do this. Teacher say go to 100, then I put 100 law, then I put 42. Then I put decimal here. Is it correct?
No.
No. Then how?
I need
Why
to put a
not?
0 to tell it's a decimal.
To tell it's a decimal. No, not only that. Because the place value chart is meant to put only one digit. So when you put a 2 here, you must regroup your 4 in the next place value.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, then this one becomes 0.42.
42. I'm
Okay,
correct.
Chloe, you understand what I'm saying? You cannot put 2 digits inside, Jera. Okay, don't put 2 digits inside. Regroup it. Okay.
Oh,
I want everyone to
no.
respond. Question number 3.
No.
Yeah, we have 3 here. So I want you to do A. Do 3 here. Those who haven't started doing.
Do ABC.
Yeah. Be a quick one. Yeah, since you write 3.5, I just follow lah. Sorry, 3. This is a decimal place, so 3.5. Then this one is 1.25. Okay, later then you do. I will try to. Good. Go on, B. Okay. Chloe, let's reply Chloe first, can? Chloe have a message. Try to use the decimal chart. But decimal chart, you must know where to start off with chart. Okay, I mean charts. The chart here, you must always have tens, must spell correctly, hundredths, and then thousandths. Okay, you must draw your own chart lah. All right, let's see who is this. Uh, 125, 915. Okay. 35. All right. Now, I want to do this. When you have 3.5, I want you to use this color like that. Okay, let me check if I can do this. When he is asking for tens, go to tens and do this. Oh, this is a pair of shoe. And this is high heel. High skate. Okay, so what does this shoe tell you? Tens column, if you regroup back, right? So, okay, let's say that I want to regroup my value of this one. I do it opposite. In the 10, it become what? 5. and then become 3 here. So it will be 35.